Hi Cavalier fam, I'm going to show you how to make an Irish buck. For this recipe, you will need Irish whiskey, fresh squeezed lime juice, and either ginger beer or ginger ale. First, we'll start by adding a heavy pour of 1.5 ounces of Irish whiskey directly into our shaker. Next, we need 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. And if we know that 1 lime is roughly 1 ounce of lime juice, then we need 1/4. We will squeeze that directly into the shaker and drop it in for good measure. Next, we'll chill it, cool the mixture down a bit, and next, we will add ice into our glass. And pour the mixture over top. Then we'll top with ginger beer, which is the most traditional. And garnish with a wheel of lime. And there you have an Irish buck. There are many buck cocktails around. The first was said to have been made when someone took a non-alcoholic cocktail called a horse's neck, which was ginger ale and fresh squeezed lemon juice and adding a shot of whiskey to it, which gave it a bit of a kick, or a bucking horse. The recipe might seem very familiar because the most common version today, a vodka buck, is also known as a Moscow mule. But for now, enjoy your whiskey in a jar.